Hi, welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. My name's Al Lucchino. I'm the owner of the dealership. I've owned this dealership for 30 years with my brother Carl. We're a family-owned dealership located right here off Exit 7 off I-84 in Danbury. And we're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 4. And I want to introduce you to this absolutely gorgeous 2012 Street Glide. It's got factory limited edition custom paint. It's in gorgeous condition. This is paint set, numbered paint set, number 27 of only 200, orange and black. This bike has gorgeous cosmetics. It has under 10K miles, and it sells for just under 12K. This motorcycle has some really great accessories. I want to walk you through it. Kuryakyn Iso Grips in black with the lever on it, so you can just ease into the throttle and you don't have to grip it as you're going down the road. But again, the bike has cruise control, so it's easy to ride on long distances. Painted inner fairing. We've got 3 storage pouches and a Windsplitter Style Windshield to get the wind up over your head and give you maximum comfort. Again, I think I've mentioned, we have the original factory Harman Kardon stereo radio with CD changer here. That's a great addition. I much prefer the original Harley-Davidson equipment over aftermarket radios and stereos. Now, chrome console, gorgeous orange bags, 4-point docking hardware. We didn't get a backrest with this, but it's readily available. Now, this bike also has a full stage 1. Let me walk you around that. Anti-lock brakes. Again, feature after feature, benefit after benefit. This is a fantastic motorcycle. So we've got fairing lowers, optional. Highway pegs, optional. These are the genuine Harley-Davidson adjustable highway pegs. We've got the full stage 1. So you've got the high-flow Screaming Eagle air cleaner and the Rinehart slip-on mufflers. Before you get this motorcycle, this just came in on trade. Before we turn this motorcycle over to the lucky new owner, we're going to do a 10K service and we're going to put new tires on it. So it will be 100% dealer certified pre-owned. Now let me explain what the difference is and what the advantage is to buying dealer certified pre-owned. That means you get a lower price and you're going to get to keep the aftermarket accessories, particularly things like the Rinehart slip-on mufflers and some of the other bits and pieces that Harley-Davidson disallows with their factory certified pre-owned program. And remember, all Harley-Davidson is going to give you as a buyer of a factory certified pre-owned bike is a limited, and I stress limited, 12-month powertrain warranty. That's it. This gives you much more. In Connecticut, this bike comes with a factory warranty. Extended service coverage may still be available on it. It's just on the cusp. We're maybe based on age. But I want to say something else. At Harley-Davidson of Danbury, 30 years, we've never kicked anybody to the curb, and we stand behind our motorcycles. So you're not going to have a problem with this bike. It'll be not only serviced, but thoroughly road tested by our technicians before you get the bike. I want to point out a couple other things. That's our dealership. That's our phone number. Call us. Let's take this bike for a test ride. Right behind me is our DynoJet 250i dynamometer. We can tune anything. We like to call our dealership the Danbury Muscle Factory. Big bore kits, twin cams, M8s, Sportsters. We can do it all. Fuel injection carburetors, whether it's a Power Commander, a Thundermax ECM, or any other tuner, including Power Vision. We can do it all here for you at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. So come on down and visit us, 203-730-2453. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you at the dealership.